Hey guys, welcome to my channel. The first tip is language translation. You can actually translate your messages as you type on WhatsApp. To do this, you need a third-party keyboard such as SwiftKey keyboard or Gboard keyboard. So what you do is, once you download the keyboard, set up the languages that you wish to have on your keyboard settings, and the translation option will appear on the keyboard. So once you click on it, you can pick any language. They have numerous languages. Here I just picked Kiswahili, and as you can see, I'm typing in English and my message will get sent in Kiswahili. For this to work, you must have an internet connection and you need a third-party keyboard. The SwiftKey keyboard and Gboard keyboard are found on Play Store. With the SwiftKey keyboard, you can also Google search anything while still chatting on WhatsApp. Click on the search icon, type what you'd like to know, and then there will be a pop-up of the Google results. You'll have the option to either screenshot or to send the results of your Google search. You can use other apps while still chatting on WhatsApp with the pop-up notification feature. To enable the pop-up notification feature, go to your WhatsApp settings, click on notifications, under messages, click on pop-up notification. You'll have the option of only when screen is on, off, or always show pop-up. You also have the option to preview your messages on the notification bar. Enable the high priority notifications. High priority notifications mean every time you receive a WhatsApp message, you get to preview it on the notification bar of your phone screen. You'll have the option to either reply or to close the message. If you do not reply, the sender will not know that you've read the message. You can mark your messages as unread to reply to later. However, the sender will still get blue ticks. For people you message frequently, you can pin their chats so that they appear at the top of your WhatsApp. You also have the option to create chat shortcuts, which will appear at the home screen of your phone. Mute chats that you will not want to get pop-up notifications or preview notifications. Archive your important and personal messages so that you do not end up deleting them by mistake or just to hide them. You can find out when your message was read and delivered by long pressing on the particular message, then click on Info, and here you'll see the time and date when the message was read and delivered. You can also find out which participants in your group have read your message. To get messages that were sent long time ago, click on the search icon, then type the keywords of that message. Then star the message to easily access it later. If you are looking for a particular message in chats, click on the three dots, then click on search and type the keywords of the particular message. This will save you from the stress of scrolling through your phone trying to get to the particular message. For messages that you'd like to look at later, such as recipes, star them, then they will be saved under the starred messages folder. Voice typing is another cool feature with the Gboard keyboard or SwiftKey keyboard. Just click on the microphone icon, speak to your phone, and your message will be automatically typed. So, if you do not like how your voice sounds in voice notes, or you do not like typing long messages, you should definitely try this. Surprise your contacts with a new font by adding 3 apostrophe marks at the beginning of the text and 3 apostrophe marks at the end of the text. Use the apostrophe mark that is pointing to the right. Thank you for watching. The tips and tricks were so many, I had to divide the video into two. Click on the screen to watch part 2, and also subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at oa.grace.